guys, welcome to AJAWI TV, where we discuss architecture and construction related topics. I'm your co-host for today, Karon, and this is
AJAWI.
So today we are attending the BSJ's National Quality Awards ceremony because our company has been nominated for an award.
Hooray!
So we are taking you along with us. So stay tuned and enjoy the vlog.
So guys, we've been working behind the scenes to really improve on the quality of our service, to actually offer returning residents something that they can rely on, something that they know is on an international level, right? So we've been doing our best, streamlining our processes, working out our system, make sure that once our returning resident come to us, they have a set process that they're going through, and we just tick all the boxes as we go along, and they can get repetitive quality, right? So we're trying not to have a one-off situation where you get good quality today, may not get it tomorrow. We're trying to have systems in place so that you can have a service that is delivered the same way each and every time, so that you can be happy to return to Jamaica and actually move into your home, right? That's what it's all about.
Yeah, and the program has been very helpful for us.
Yeah, it was helpful for us.
Opening up our eyes.
Yeah.
To see where we need improvement. You know, they did an audit on the company and we saw where we're doing well and we saw where we needed improvement, and we took those notes and made those improvements.
Yeah, so they actually reviewed, well, they evaluated the company, yes, and they gave us like a list of things that we need to be doing, and we actually implemented those immediately. You know, of course, my wife here made sure that, you know, she started to do all of those things, right, and remind me to do them. So it was very helpful.
Yeah. So we are headed to Pegasus Hotel now. That's where the ceremony will be kept, and banquet.
Yes.
It is in collaboration with the Ministry of Industry and E-Commerce. Is that the name of it?
Not even knowing now. Ministry of Industry and Commerce.
We have the ticket here. So it's the National Quality Awards Ceremony and Banquet, which is put on by the Bureau of Standards Jamaica and in association with the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce.
Yeah. I'm kind of very excited because being nominated in and of itself, in the top few that actually entered the program, means a lot, right? It means that we're actually doing things. But here's the thing. You know what prepared me for this? Yeah, guess what prepared me for it?
Your previous failures?
Yes. Yes. My previous failures, right? So guys, I want you to understand, having a business is not going to be always, up there. You're not going to always have a win. But the times when you have a failure, you're going to learn a lot, and that's going to help you to put things in place, right? But I want to big up also my bank, Scotiabank, right? I want to big them up because the Vision Achievers program actually helped tremendously with this. So I want to big up those guys over there at Scotiabank. Thank you very much for the Vision Achievers program. Additionally, UTech, right? University of West Indies.
University of Technology.
University of Technology, UTech. I am very grateful for the staff, because when I went to them with my business idea, my lecturer said, okay, we have a class, you're going to use your business idea and run your tests, run your, research, do your research on the business. Guys, while I'm going to UTech, I'm actually, every single assignment I get is actually the business me I work on, right? You'll see the name of the business on it, because from them time there, from year one, I've been working on developing the business a little bit more, right? I had the business before, but it needed some processes in place. And from most set of my lecturers, them, this is what me I do. They were very open to me experimenting and having my failures, right? That's what the university is all about. Or for me, that's what it was all about. Running my experiments, refining the ideas, and moving forward. And I found that entrepreneurship, the entrepreneurship course that we did as an elective at UTech, helped us, right? Helped my wife and I. My wife actually did her entrepreneurship course. I think what kind of research it did?
It was a research on, well, for the course entrepreneurship, but it was to do a full profile on the business, doing competitive analysis, doing market analysis, doing all those different analyses to, know the profitability, know everything.
Yeah,
So a full profile.
she actually used the business as her study, what you call it, case study, right? So don't think it just happened overnight, guys. This is from where in university we've been working on this and refining this, so that what you are seeing now, you're seeing the success, right, or the rewards. So if you're watching this and you have a business, understand that it's not just today you say AJAWI at it, right? You can do it too. Just take the time, research, and grow as a business. So I want to big up those people, right? I am banking on winning this award tonight.
Yes.
Right? I am banking on winning this award tonight. So, what you say, babe?
This is the program for the night, and we are actually in the category micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises. Guys, this is Abigail. Hello. She's one of our trusted architectural designers and now shareholder. How long have you been with us now? 2 years? Year and a half. Year and a half. Almost 2 years. Yeah.
Which means for the MSME category, the 2023 to 2024 National Quality Award for Excellence goes to AJAWI Limited! To join us on the stage. More and more women representing in these different categories, and it's such a wonderful thing to witness.
So guys, we won.
Yes, we won. We won the MSME Excellence. Right? Guys, we put our best foot forward. We are constantly working on our business to make it into something that returning residents can utilize. And for us to actually win an award, an award of excellence as an MSME, trust me, it means a lot. It means that we are actually doing something, we're actually making a difference, and returning residents can expect a certain quality of work once they're doing business with us and all of our team members, right? So we're gonna continue to build on what we have, build on our quality, build on our standards, and to just set an example for those that are in the industry, and to follow those that are actually in the industry, and putting out good work, good quality work. All right, so I'm elated. I'm very happy. I was very nervous when they were calling out. Me, myself, I was like, my heart was in my hand, right? But when they said run up, and when I hear AJAWI name call me, I said, Jesus, peace.
Why?
Can me wonder who else I can get it now? But to actually enter for the first time and win, I'm very happy about that, and just know that we are continuously working to improve and to offer quality to our clients. All right.
Yeah.
So how you feeling, babe?
I'm elated.
Oh.
But I'm also tired because it's now a couple of minutes to midnight.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, we appreciate you. Make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe,
Hit the notification bell so that you're notified whenever we post a video.
just like this one. And give us a recommendation if you have seen our work over the years and you can recommend us to potential customers. Why not? You know, check out our Amazon store where you can get, you know, buy stuff from our store that we use on a day-to-day basis. All right, the link will be in the description. Peace out. See you next time.
There's no need to complicate things. Let's stick to the basics.